Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall see how to construct a square using ruler and compass. Construct a square with side 10 centimeters using a ruler and a compass. Before we start with the construction, there are certain properties of a square which should be known. A square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. A quadrilateral is a polygon which has 4 sides and 4 vertices. While drawing a square, we should see that all the sides are equal as well as all the angles are 90 degrees. In this construction, we are not going to use a protractor in order to construct 90-degree angles, but we will be using a ruler and compass. Let us construct the first side of the square. So draw a line segment of length 10 centimeters. Let it be called BC and we will mark 10 centimeters on that line segment. Now we have to draw 90-degree angles at B and C. I have already done a detailed video regarding the construction of 90 degrees using ruler and compass. So please refer the video. The link to that video is given in the description below. The necessary arcs to construct a right angle at B are drawn. Now let us draw a ray through B and S and let that ray be called BX. Let us now check with a protractor. We can see that angle B is 90 degrees. Now, using a compass, measure 10 centimeters and then center the compass at B. Draw an arc that cuts the ray BX. Let that point be A. Now let us measure the length of the line segment AB. We can see that it is 10 centimeters. Hence we write 10 centimeters along that line segment. Now in the same way, we construct a right angle at point C. All the necessary arcs are drawn. We draw a ray through C and O. Let us call that ray CY. Now again, let us measure 10 centimeters on the compass. Center the compass at C and cut an arc on the ray CY. Now let that point be D. Now let us measure the length of the line segment CD. We can see that it is 10 centimeters. So we write 10 centimeters along that line segment. Now we have finished with the 3 sides of the square. Let's go for the last side. So the last side will be obtained by connecting A and D. We can see that the line segment connecting A and D is 10 centimeters. So we write 10 centimeters on the line segment. Hence, we have finished constructing the square. Now let us check whether all the angles are 90 degree using the protractor. So we have already checked angle B. We found it was 90 degree. Now we can see angle C is also 90 degree. We can see that angle A is also 90 degree. Now moving on, we find that angle D is also equal to 90 degrees. Hence, we have drawn a figure where all the sides are of length 10 centimeters as well as all the angles are also 90 degrees. So just like how we have marked our sides, we will now mark our angles also as 90 degrees. Hence, we have completed our drawing. So, which is the square over here? ABCD is the required square. I hope this method of constructing a square using ruler and compass is clear. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you do not miss out any notifications.